Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a compatible Android device and the No Root Firewall app installed. Tap the app to begin. When it asks for VPN permission, grant it because that is how the app filters traffic without root. Once done, pause to review which apps you want to control and whether you need to block Wi-Fi, mobile data, or both. This first step sets the foundation, so subsequent rules apply only to the apps and networks you intend to manage. You now create precise rules. Go to the rules screen and pick an app, then choose whether to allow or deny Wi-Fi and mobile data separately. This is how you control background syncing versus foreground use. Use the domain filter to block specific host names or IP ranges. Add ports like 80 and 443 if you want port-level control. Once rules are set, enable logging so you can see why traffic is allowed or blocked. That visibility helps you refine rules quickly. Finish by saving changes and restarting No Root Firewall's VPN service to apply rules system-wide. You should test common apps and workflows. If something breaks, temporarily whitelist the app or specific domains to confirm the issue. Make sure to check logs to identify false positives. Those entries tell you which connection was blocked and why. If problems persist, toggle the rule off, retest, then recreate it with narrower criteria. This iterative approach fixes conflicts while keeping your device protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.